To allow app usage when work mode with restrict app usage is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap work, tap restrict app usage, and then select the desired apps under app section you like to allow. As the example, we will select Gmail and Excel. Tap done button. By doing this, now when the work mode is active, you will be able to use and receive notification from Gmail and Excel even when the restrict app usage feature is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.